To add your test equipment to your subscription and set up your calibration schedule, click on Staff and Equipment, then MOT Equipment from the sidebar. You'll be taken through the setup for adding your MOT equipment. To add a piece of equipment, click on one of the plus buttons. Fill in all the red areas with your equipment and calibration information. Click Continue to add all the equipment shown in the list. When you're finished, your calibration schedule will all be set up, ready for automatic reminders and recording calibrations.